Today we're going to show you how to repair a Hyundai Sonata stereo for missing or ghost segments. See our website for the removal of the car stereo. Remove the brackets on both sides of this car stereo. This will allow it to sit better on the bench and remove the front face. There are 4 screws located along the top panel. Remove the top cover, lift the back edge up and back away from the front face. With your flathead screwdriver, we're going to lift these tabs up that snap the face into place. While releasing these clips, you're going to continue to apply forward pressure on the face to separate it from the car stereo. Work your way around this panel. If you don't continue with a forward pressure, this face will snap back on and you have to complete this process. Continue all the way around this panel. There are clips on all 4 sides of the front face. It'll begin to release, and this face needs to come straight off of the front of the car stereo to release. Set the car stereo to the side and take a look at the front face here. Turning this face over, the LCD is soldered into the back board here. It normally has poor solder connections, and we're going to repair all these connections. Once repaired, we're going to take a second look at them, make sure that they're uniform and we have good connections. This was your before the repair. This is your after repair. Hope this video has been helpful. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.